Hey everybody, Rob Retzel here, recovering attorney and leader of the solutions team at AA Premier Properties. I'm bright and early this morning. You see, I haven't even shaved yet. I read a very interesting article about the apartment building space and how it has kind of slowed down a little bit. In the recent years, it's been absolutely red hot, and there have been many people buying, large apartments. You hear stories about people going from 0 to 500 units in 3 years, that kind of thing. And it's mostly in places like Texas, the South, areas where the population is growing and jobs are growing as well. Well, in the first quarter of 2016, and this is from an article in the National Real Estate Investor, um, you're seeing much fewer or much less demand for rentals. You know, we've been going at a kind of a 40 to 50,000 new occupied apartment rate, and in the first quarter that was only about 20,000, so less than half. We're also seeing that vacancy rates are inching up. They've gone from about 4.24% to close to 4.5. That doesn't seem like a huge amount, and really, landlords generally consider their buildings fully occupied, even if they're at only 95% occupancy. So it doesn't seem like it's a huge increase right now. But what you really have to look at is what are the trends? Where are things going? And very interestingly as well, most new apartments are in the Class A category that are opening in the top markets, and that looks like luxury construction. Is really going up kind of considerably, and we've been, if you've heard me talk about what areas and what sectors of the housing market are kind of bubbling in the Boston area, I've always said that it's luxury apartments, because you're seeing all these new buildings go up, and there's just not that much demand. Now, one of the more interesting things as well is that rents are continuing to go up anyway. They they went up about 1% in the first quarter compared to the quarter before, and 5% compared to the year before. So that hasn't really been changing. It's going up slower than it was, over the last 2 to 3 years. So what does that mean? Honestly, I've stopped trying to predict it because it's just so hard to do. But it's definitely something for multifamily investors to keep an eye on. And when they're trying to buy a new multifamily apartment, realize that even if you're getting, the price looks okay compared to comparables, if it's a small multifamily, something like that, you need to realize that there may be less demand, and especially in the Boston area, you need to look at job growth and population growth in that specific area. Just make sure your numbers are solid going forward. So as always, Rob Retzel again here. If you want a free consultation, please give me a call, 781-729-2425. You want to talk about retail or investment real estate, I'm always here for a free consultation. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.